Digital transformation in government. An estimated 3.5 billion Internet users are online worldwide. In 2015, the average user spent 91 minutes a day on their mobiles, and 75 billion iOS and Android apps were downloaded worldwide. Making access to a broader array of services through digital means the new normal. In general, digital transformation refers to whole-scale change where digital technologies are applied to all aspects within a social structure. Information and communication technology is the domain where the impact of digital transformation is felt most, followed by education, transportation, international affairs, and economic development. To keep pace with the demand for a better user experience, governments too will have to digitize. From a government perspective, digital transformation is the process of whole-scale change that affects governmental functions. A primary driver of digital transformation in government is citizen demand. Budgetary concerns are also often a reason for digital transformation, with 56% of UK public sector respondents citing it as the main reason. However, this is often both a driver and a challenge, as initial investment is often the greatest barrier to the process, even though 82% of organizations perceive digital technologies as an opportunity. To better prepare for a technologically advanced, citizen-centric era, governments need to overcome a shared series of barriers, including strategy, workforce, and culture. Strategy. Digital transformation in government with any success is greatly influenced by its digital strategy. Only 14% of government agents at the early stages of digital maturity have a clear and coherent digital strategy, while 86% of those who have achieved digital maturity have a strong digital strategy. This strategy often considers how citizens will be part of the digital transformation. For instance, the U.S. Department of Treasury's digital transformation invited citizen participation through online satisfaction surveys, regular publication of milestones in traditional and social media, and regular focus groups and competitions. Their app-based initiative, for example, invited citizens to develop next-generation mobile apps that could help U.S. citizens shape their financial future. Workforce. Digital transformation requires specific technical savviness, business acumen, and a collaborative and entrepreneurial spirit that is not always immediately available among government employees. To overcome this barrier, governments have responded differently. The UK Department of Work and Pensions ran 6-week digital boot camps, while the United States Digital Services Agency, 18F, allowed its project teams the autonomy to hire digital talent. Culture. A good culture for digital transformation allows for agile development, co-creation, openness to ideas from outside the organization, crowdsourcing, and a fail-fast approach to risk. For many government entities, the present culture of perfection and risk avoidance, alongside hesitation toward potential failure and the uncertainty of innovation, instills barriers to digital transformation. Yet, with the UK Transformation Programme, the government overcame such hurdles by breaking the tasks down into smaller measurable achievements, which were followed through until the end, establishing a strong digital culture and a strategy in the process. For example, in January 2013, the government gave itself 400 days to transform 25 major services, making them simpler, clearer, and faster to use, and therefore becoming digital by default. Ultimately, the success of a government body's digital transformation will rely on the flexibility and adaptability this entity shows to the one constant of the new digital age: change itself. Continued digital evolution may see some public bodies struggle as the environment changes around them. Others will take advantage of all that digital transformation can offer, reimagine their services, continually innovate the way they engage with customers, and thereby thrive.